Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, I'm gonna do something here. Today I'm eating some fried catfish, and I'm gonna make some hush puppies. And outside, I'm gonna share a quick video here with y'all how I make my hush puppy batter. It's very simple. All hush puppy is, y'all, is fried cornbread, and the mix is pretty much the same as cornbread. One thing you add less liquid. That's all it is. People always ask me, how you make your hush puppies? It's no big thing with hush puppies, y'all. So, anyway, let me get started here and show y'all here. And I also got some catfish that I'm gonna fry. And I'll show y'all later. And it's very simple too. All I use is Louisiana fish fry. It's very simple where I do my catfish and hush puppies. So, let me get started. In this bowl right here, I just got yellow cornmeal. This is all-purpose flour. The recipe in the description of the video, y'all. And some baking powder. Gotta have baking powder here. So that's 3 things right there. 4th thing, I'll put a little sugar in mine. You don't have to put sugar if you don't want it. I like a little sweeter hush puppy. Okay, I'm gonna mix all the dry together. Put a little salt and pepper in it. Kosher salt, white pepper. So that's 5 ingredients right there. Yellow cornmeal, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, salt and pepper. That's it. That is it, y'all. That's it to start right there. Okay, now I'm gonna add chopped white onions to this. I finally chop them because I don't like to bite out on a big chunk of white onions when I eat hush puppies. You can put chopped bacon in this if you want to. Put bell peppers. Some people put bell peppers in there, but I just like white onions in mine. Put a little vegetable oil in there. You can put melted butter if you want to. Okay. 1 egg in there. 1 egg. Of course, if I'm making a bigger batch, I'll put 2 eggs. I'm just making a small batch here. Okay. Get this all mixed together. See how easy this is. People think hush puppies is so difficult. Since they're not. Okay. Put a little milk in here. To be very careful when you put milk. I use whole milk. Some people use buttermilk. I just use whole milk. A little bit more milk. You just want a little milk to bring it together. To moisten all the dry ingredients. And that's it, y'all. That's all it is, the hush puppy batter. Mix it all together really good. And what I like to do, I like my hush puppy batter to sit for like an hour. I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour, and then I'm gonna cook it. So I'm gonna come back here in about 30 minutes, not an hour, about 30 minutes. I like to let it rest. 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna have my deep fry ready. Then we're gonna fry some hush puppies and catfish, and that's gonna be southern you can get. So we'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back here. Okay, I got my deep fryer here heating up. Now, what I'm going to do here, I got my hush puppies here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start scooping them right here in the basket. I got my fryer heated up to 350 degrees. And all I'm going to do is put my hush puppies right here in the basket. Scoop them right in there. Make sure you don't overfill your basket, y'all. I try to move them around so they don't stick to the bottom of the basket. This usually make about 15 hush puppies. Get my little wooden spoon here. Got a wooden spoon here to kind of flip them over. There we go. Kind of like flip them over here when they turn brown, you know. Now, I like to cook the hush puppies before I cook the fish, because the fish doesn't take as long as the hush puppies. My catfish, and also I like to kind of eat on the hush puppies while the fish is cooking too. So that's another reason I do my hush puppies before I do my fish. Like I said, it don't take long, y'all. Take about 2 or 3 minutes, and they'll definitely be ready. And I just put on the plate with a paper towel. Like I say, hush puppies is very simple to make. A lot of people think they take, it's a big thing with hush puppies. It's not. It's very little. Growing up, and like I say, my first place I cooked in was a seafood restaurant at 16 years old, and I bet I made 1 million of these things every week. It seemed like. So we're gonna get a bowl here. I got a bowl here with a paper towel, and I'm gonna lay them in when they come out, y'all. Like I said, they don't take long at all. A couple of more minutes and they'll be ready. Then I'm gonna do my another batch. And then when I come back, I'll fry my catfish off, and this meal will be complete. Nothing like fried catfish and hush puppies, y'all. Nothing better than that. Okay, these are ready. Like I say, these don't take long at all, y'all. Throw them in the bowl here. Basket don't want to cooperate on me. Thing in here. Alright, we're going to scoop the rest of them in here. Like I say, you go purchase your little scoop, little ice cream melon scooper, and it helps so much when you're making hush puppies, where you have the same consistency. That's the key. See how pretty these are? Nice and golden brown. So I'm gonna set these to the side and keep them warm. And we'll be back when it's time to put the catfish on. And we'll do the catfish and this meal will be ready. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Now see how pretty these are? Now I'm gonna set these to the side. See how golden brown these are? Okay. Now, I'm gonna get my catfish going. Catfish, like I say, I got catfish seasoned with my uncle, old school, I washed my catfish. I got cavernous seasoning on here, and old school shape. And all I use is Louisiana fish fry or Louisiana seafood breading. Same thing, that's all I ever use on my fish, y'all. Nothing else. You can get the seasoned or unseasoned. And of course I use the unseasoned. The unseasoned one. All I do, like I say, you just go according to the directions on the box. You don't put in no milk, no egg, no nothing. You let the moisture from the fish cling to the breading. So I shake it up, get it all good and shook up here. Make sure it's all good and coated. And that's it. Put it in the fryer, y'all. That's all I do. Nothing fancy about it. The key is not to just don't overclog your fryer. Anybody know that? If you do, you're gonna be boiling your fish and not frying it. One more little piece, and that's it. That's all it is about frying fish, y'all. And this will work in the skillet too. Works in the skillet too, y'all. Take my basket up here so that it'll get to, fish doesn't stick to the bottom. And that's pretty much it. The fish doesn't take long at all. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes and this catfish is ready. So I'm going to arrange my hush puppies here on the side of the bowl here. And get ready for the catfish to come in here and join these hush puppies. I'm going to say y'all, nothing like hush puppies and catfish. That's a southern thing, y'all. That's definitely a southern, old school southern thing. I definitely like a light breading on my catfish. I don't like a big, heavy breading on my fish. That's why I use a Louisiana fish fry. But it gives it, the breading is not so thick. I want to taste the fish, not the breading. Let me get a plate here with a paper towel. So I'm going to be back here in a few minutes after everything is ready. The fish is ready. And we're going to taste this. So we'll be right back. Okay, y'all. I am back here. And it's time to taste these nice. Look at these hush puppies. Look at that. Look how golden. These things are awesome. I can tell y'all. It's just like eating fried cornbread. Good. And then my fish, what I say? I like a light breading on my fish. Nothing better, y'all. Fried catfish and corn hush pupper. Don't get no better than this. But like I say, you can be just as creative with hush puppies as you want. Put bacon in it. Jalapenos. Some people put jalapenos in it. Some people put bell peppers. But I just like small diced onions in mine. But anyway, time to close this video out. Y'all remember the hashtag? Help somebody old school soul food. That's hashtag 2021. So, follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And remember, help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Bye.